Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grimoire. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a blank book, perhaps a journal with 100 to 200 pages, or a 3-ring binder for flexibility. Next, collect your favorite writing tools, like fine point pens or calligraphy inks. Don't forget decorative items such as pressed leaves, small charms, or even a few fabric swatches to make it truly yours. Having these items ready sets a wonderful foundation. Now, let's talk about structuring your grimoire. Think of it as a living document, so organization is key. You might dedicate the first 20 pages to an index, followed by sections for spells, rituals, and perhaps a separate area for herbal lore. Consider adding a section for dream interpretations or personal insights. A well-organized grimoire, perhaps with 5 to 7 main sections, becomes a much more useful and cherished tool over time. Personalizing your grimoire is where your creativity truly shines. Adorn your pages with symbols that resonate deeply with you, perhaps a moon phase illustration or a personal sigil. Experiment with different colors of ink and various textures, like adding a piece of parchment or a dried flower petal. You could even bind small, flat objects, such as a pressed feather or a tiny crystal, directly onto a page. Make each entry a unique work of art. Finally, let's discuss using and caring for your grimoire. This isn't just a book, it's a reflection of your journey. Update it regularly, perhaps once every 2 weeks with new insights or experiences. Store it in a place of honor, away from direct sunlight or moisture, to preserve its integrity. Handle it with respect, understanding its significance. Your grimoire is a powerful tool for self-discovery and a record of your evolving wisdom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.